Welcome to the new studio. Can't go all the way around, there's a bed in the way. Well. Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to give you an exclusive tour of my YouTube studio in less than 100 square foot in the heart of downtown Toronto. You'll see how I've managed to create a functional and stylish space with a stunning view, in my opinion. For those of you who have been following me for a while, and maybe even some of my recent subscribers, you would have noticed I have been through many ever-changing backgrounds from my temporary YouTube setups. Finally, I have my own place, a place where I can sleep, work, and function. So let's take a look at what I've done with the space. As you can see, my setup is in a cozy corner of a condo with a view of downtown Toronto. The view serves as an inspiring backdrop for my creative process and a reminder of the urban adventures that awaits me going forward, and for you guys too. Now let's talk about the furnishings. I'm trying different things with another camera to see if it works. I got an IKEA mound bed with 2 built-in storage, perfect for maximizing space in this compact area. Now next to the IKEA bed is the LAC console table, which you see over there, which is very functionable and it adds a touch of modern design. Now the next item in the room is the electronically adjustable desk purchased off Amazon by Fezbo. Now I wanted the option to be able to sit but also stand and work, so at least I'm not sitting down all day. Plus I get to admire the view and watch the dogs play in the dog park during my work days or when I'm filming. I always heard that standing desks are good for you, and this one happened to be pretty affordable. And to complement the desk, I purchased this small side table which houses my UPS NAS server and also a battery station for my FPV drones, as well as just a shelf to just put things on. The adjustable desk is a game changer for my workflow. I can go from seating to standing in just a few seconds, and it allows me to be more comfortable when working for long periods. The flexibility is essential for maintaining my productivity while working a full-time job and editing videos. Plus, when I need to fix an FPV drone, I can just take off my Mac and my iPad and it converts into a handy workbench. Oh, I just had an idea. This could also be handy for top-down product photography shots. So maybe we could use that in the future. What do you think? Now let's talk about equipment and gadgets on the desk specifically. So I'm currently recording off my iPhone 13 Pro, which is on a Ulanzi MT33 bendable tripod with a newer phone holder. I have the M1 MacBook Pro and then the iPad Air as a second screen. And I also purchased this Anker power charge station here, which is useful to feed power into my Mac, my iPad, and even charge a couple of electronics. I even charge my iPhone and AirPods as well. In addition to that, I have a UE Boom 2, so it's quite old. This is like a really old tech item that I purchased a few years ago. I use it to play some music now and then. And behind that, I have a hygrometer, which tells me the temperature and the humidity. Not that it's gonna fluctuate much because in a condo it's pretty stable anyway. For lighting, you've probably seen these before. I have a couple of Ulanzi light ones here, which is magnetic, and because corner of the walls in condo have corner bead, I can literally attach the lights to the wall and it'll provide extra lighting for me. In addition to that, you can see just over there in the corner is a Miros smart lamp, which I actually love. I think it was a tad pricey, just a tad, but I don't begrudge. Thanks, Jules. So I just texted my roommate, even though he's next door. You might hear him, I don't know. He's just asking if he had to leave the apartment. I'm not gonna do that to him. I'll introduce you to my roommates in future videos, hopefully. Anyway, back to the video, where was I? We're talking about the Miros smart lamp. And as you can see, I have the DJI Action 2 recording, which is also magnetic, and I can pin that to the wall so you get extra camera angles. I'm gonna have to figure this out, so bear with me as I figure out my studio and what's best in terms of lighting and how I'm gonna set it up. But so far, I like what I'm doing. So in this setup, I think I've strung a good balance between form and function. Furnishings are not only stylish, but also practical, ensuring that I have easy access to all my equipment while maintaining a clutter-free environment. So I can literally pick up a drone, pick up my camera, pick up my, I don't know what these are called. It's just a man bag, that's what we call them in England. But I literally have access to everything. For now, the space works, but there is a couple of finishing touches that I would like to add. I think on either this wall or the one behind me, I want to add one of my framed canvases, which you can check out on my Etsy store. I need to get back onto that, to be honest. I'm also thinking of adding a pegboard there. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it, but I think I'm going to put it up there. And that way I can just hang my drones to save lateral space basically and free up some more of the console table, which in turn I'm thinking to get a hydroponic growth system as well, where I can grow some, I don't know, more likely vegetables or herbs, I should say. Herbs, that's not vegetables, it'd be herbs. It'd be perfect there, doesn't really need much direct sunlight. The thing I like about this unit is that there's a lot of light. I have two large windows. Obviously I have the blinds down right now, but it's indirect light, so it's not going to be too harsh. So it's perfect. And that's pretty much it. That is my YouTube studio / room in less than 100 square foot. Making something big fit in a tight space. No. Don't even think about turning that into an innuendo. You guys have such dirty minds. You dirty. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tour and I've given you some inspiration for your own space-saving solutions. What I'll do is I'll put links down to the products that I have purchased in this video to help furnish the room and make it function. Some of these links are affiliate links, which means there is no cost to you. Only if you do end up buying something will I get a small commission, which just helps out the YouTube channel and it's much appreciated. Oh, and also, I want to thank every single one of you. We're so close to hitting 1,000 subscribers. I did not expect that. That's actually really impressive. And since I haven't really been posting videos for the last, I don't know, 8 weeks. So the ball's going to be rolling again. We're going to get videos churning out. And I wouldn't have got here without any of you who have watched and subscribed and comments, even messaging me, people who have come over to my Instagram and message me and just appreciate the help or just advice as well. So thanks guys, much appreciated, we're almost there. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up for the algorithm, it does help. Remember to subscribe for more drones, photography and everything in between. And until the next video, YouTube recommends you should watch this next. Peace.